All right, welcome. So what we're going to do here today is we're going to check out a specific solution. Let's see here. The product is Aurora, a custom Sigma-based EDR agent. So I'm going to click on that. And this is where you could download it. All right, there's a light version and a full-featured version. Go ahead and take a look at each one, but for right now, we're just going to download the light. You will fill out all this stuff because the license gets dedicated directly to you. And then at the end, accept, and that you're not a robot, and yes, subscribe. So once you've done that, then you will most likely get an email that needs you to confirm, such as this email. So please confirm your subscription, confirm. Once you've done that, there will be another one that it lets you download. So you can download your license, download the AuroraLite. That's great. Once you get to that particular piece and download it onto your machine, you'll have the license and the agent here. Go ahead and extract all. The license you'll need to put in the folder once you've extracted. I've already done that, so my license is this really long deal here with the .lic. And then what we'll do, hopefully, is go ahead and read the instructions or manual. So let me take a peek at where I can find that. All right, here it is. All right, so you would go to installation instructions. It does say that you will need to go ahead and do some exclusion paths to these program files for Aurora before you install it. But the quick install here is basically this is what we'll do. We'll do -- install -- dashboard and get it going. So let's go ahead and put in these paths. So I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to do antivirus, protections. We'll go and manage the settings here. All that's on, that's great. And then we'll go exclusions. So add, remove exclusions, say yes, add, let's say file. And so there's the agent. So you would select the agent, but it's in the program files. Program files, where is it? Aurora, I don't see it there. Program files 86, not there. So for now though, I think because we're going to run it from this area, we will need to do this one. I'm just going to do, I'll do this agent. So we'll say, well, actually 64. Open 64, and we've added it. Great. All right, I'll go back out here. We'll go ahead and right click, run as administrator, the PowerShell prompt. So we kind of see everything go down. Then we'll go ahead and get to the desktop and then the Aurora folder. We can look in there, we can see what it is. Here's our EDR. So basically we'll go /Aurora 64 -- install -- dashboard, I believe. So great, and I think we can just press enter. All right, it's going through the process of installing the agent. I think I'm going to look back at the manual, see if I've missed anything. So I highly encourage checking out the manual to see any other interesting things about configurations. All right, I'm going to pause this as it continues to install. All right, as you can see, it looks like the agent notifier is up, starting, as you can see here. That's great. I'm going to go ahead and close this other window. Let me look in the tab. There it is right here. You can see I can double click, I think, on the application, although it seems like it's still kind of going through the process of starting. So, all right, great. It tells you when the license expires, which is about a year, and that it has active outputs to the Windows application event log. Great. So now we have the Aurora agent install. So I'll right click open dashboard, and as you can see, we now have a dashboard. So anytime we want to go ahead and simulate an adversary on a box, we can go ahead and see what happens and what Sigma rules get triggered, and then we can perform incident response based off of that. All right, well, that is it for now, and we'll see you later.